PM Modi lands in Jeddah for his two-day state visit. PM receives 21-gun salute welcome upon landing. Top leaders of Saudi Arabia receive PM Modi in Jeddah. Sky-high welcome for PM Modi. Saudi F-15 fighter jets escort Prime Minister's plane. PM Modi calls Saudi Arabia a trusted friend. Saudi Arabian singer croons "Ae Mere Watan." PM Modi receives warm welcome from Indian diaspora. Big boost to India-Saudi ties. Prime Minister Narendra Modi landed in Jeddah on 22 April 2025 on a two-day visit to the kingdom on the invitation of Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman. PM Modi received the 21-gun salute welcome as he arrived in Saudi Arabia. According to reports, India and Saudi Arabia are set to sign at least 6 memoranda of understanding during Modi's visit to Jeddah. As a special gesture, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's aircraft was escorted by F-15s of the Royal Saudi Air Force in Saudi Arabia's airspace in Jeddah. Members of the Indian diaspora in Jeddah welcomed Prime Minister Narendra Modi, calling it Big Day. In an special gesture, a Saudi Arabian singer performed "Ae Mere Watan" to welcome PM Modi. Remember, in his departure statement, PM Modi said both countries have developed a mutually beneficial and substantive partnership, including in the domains of defense, trade, investment, energy and people-to-people ties. PM Modi hailed Saudi Arabia and described the kingdom as a trusted friend, strategic ally and one of the most valued partners for India. Since 2014, PM Modi has transformed the trajectory of India's relations with Saudi Arabia and the Gulf countries. This will be PM Modi's third visit to the country, following earlier visits in 2016 and 2019. This also marks his 15th visit to a country in the Gulf region. The visit comes amid intensified diplomatic engagement between the two nations. In 2024, India made 11 ministerial-level visits to Saudi Arabia. Modi's visit to Saudi Arabia is crucial for the geopolitical order. The world in general, and West Asia in particular, is suffering from conflicts made worse by economic tensions. The visit comes as tariffs imposed by Donald Trump's U.S. administration have forced countries to further strengthen trade relations with allies for alternate markets. India and Saudi Arabia are the two fastest-growing economies in the world. The two countries have the potential to influence the global order as members of the Global South and the G20. Modi is the first Indian Prime Minister to visit Jeddah in more than 4 decades. All his previous visits have been to Riyadh, the Saudi capital. Indira Gandhi was the last Indian Prime Minister to visit Jeddah way back in 1982.